How to insert watermark report in Microsoft Word? I show you here two methods: text watermark and picture watermark. For the demo text in Microsoft Word, type is equal to RAND, bracket type 100 and close the bracket and press enter key. Yes, I have a 10 page reports. I want to go top of the document, so I press Ctrl Home. Yes. To insert watermark, go to design menu and then go to watermark down arrow. Now I want to insert this draft designs. You can see here draft word behind the document. If you want to write one word in this draft, go to again watermark and then custom watermark. For example, I want to write goombach. You can choose here font, design, size, color. I want to put here red color here and then click apply or click OK. It's my text watermarks. If you want to insert the picture watermark, go to same location, so click custom. To insert the picture, click this picture watermark and then click select pictures and go to browse. Go to your pictures folder where you have saved your pictures. You want to insert this my logo and then click inserts and then click OK or apply. My logo has been sent every page in my report. Yeah, if you want to make a little bright your logo, click watermark and then click custom watermark. Remove this tick mark from wash out. Click applies. Yes, my logo has been sent more bright. If you want to remove this watermark, go to watermark options and then click remove watermarks. Yes, this way we can insert and remove watermark in Microsoft Word. Thank you.